So the next part of our session, this session is the extraction of sodium from rock salt. Sodium occurs in nature in the form of rock salt, Chile saltpeter, sodium Sevsky carbonate, or cryolite. But the main ore of this sodium is rock salt, that is nothing but sodium chloride. After crushing and pulverization, we have to concentrate this rock salt. That is, we have to remove insoluble impurities from this sodium chloride or from this rock salt. We have to remove insoluble impurities from rock salt. This can be achieved either by distillation method or by dissolving followed by filtration or by chromatographic techniques. After these concentration procedures, we get sodium chloride solution. So we can't use directly sodium chloride for the extraction purpose. So what we have to do is, initially we crystallize the sodium chloride from the solution. And after crystallization, we have to melt the sodium chloride. The melted sodium chloride solution is used for the metallurgical process. The sodium is extracted from sodium chloride in a special type of cell known as down cell. In this cell, what we are doing is electrolysis of fused sodium chloride in the presence of calcium chloride. The ratio of sodium chloride and calcium chloride is 1:2. And other alkali fluorides are also added, which the importance is that addition of the sodium chloride mixed with while we are mixing the sodium chloride with calcium chloride, it will reduce the melting point of sodium chloride. Okay, then this that is why we are written it, which themselves do not decompose at the voltage applied but lower the melting point of sodium chloride from 800 degrees Celsius to about 600 degrees Celsius, at which corrosive chlorine is reduced considerably. And chlorine is a very valuable byproduct in this reaction. So what is the need of adding calcium chloride and other alkali fluoride? We have to reduce the melting point of sodium chloride. Otherwise, the melting point of sodium chloride is 800 to 800 degrees Celsius. So, നമുക്ക് അത്രയും വലിയ temperature achieve ചെയ്യാൻ difficult ആയതുകൊണ്ട് we have to reduce the temperature. So, that's why we are adding calcium chloride and alkali fluorides. They do not decompose at this temperature, but it decreases the melting point of sodium chloride to 600 degrees Celsius. This is the typical representation of down cell. Here you can see the electrolyte is the molten mixture of sodium chloride and calcium chloride in the ratio 1:2. And here the iron cathode is used as the iron is used as a cathode and carbon graphite wood is used as a anode. And what happens is sodium ions and Na+ ions get reduced in this iron cathode, and then what happens is the sodium metal rises in the molten mixture and is collected in a watertight container. Here this is the container, the molten sodium metal rises, okay, and here it is collected, okay. And what happens in the cathode is what happens in the anode is chlorine Cl minus oxidizes or removes electrons and get converted into Cl atoms, and which then combines to form Cl2 gas. Okay, this is the typical representation of down cell. the reaction taking place, and these both the cathode and anodes are separated by a iron mesh. See this electrode reactions at cathode, sodium ions Na plus electrons giving sodium metal, and then anode electrode, what happens is Cl minus electron, or removes electrons and forms chlorine atoms, but chlorine atoms are unstable, so two chlorine atoms combines to form chlorine molecule Cl2, and the sodium metal rises in the molten mixture and is collected in watertight storage vessel. Here a steel mesh is used to prevent sodium and chlorine coming into contact and reforming sodium chloride. Okay, this is the extraction procedure of sodium from rock salt. Thank you.